How often have you scrolled through your social media feed and came across a post or comment that was offensive or harmful? In today's digital age, where online interactions form a major part of our social lives, content moderation has become crucial. This article aims to break down how artificial intelligence, AI, has become a game changer in the field of content moderation. Understanding content moderation. Content moderation is the practice of monitoring and applying a predetermined set of guidelines to user-generated content to determine its appropriateness. This could be anything from comments on a blog post, user reviews on e-commerce sites, to posts on social media platforms. The importance of content moderation cannot be overstated. A study by Pew Research Center found that 41% of Americans have experienced some form of online harassment. This highlights the need for effective moderation to maintain online safety and credibility. On the other side, according to a report by Statista, 86% of consumers consider ratings and reviews an essential resource when making a purchase decision. Thus, maintaining the credibility and reliability of user-generated content is necessary for a thriving online ecosystem. The role of AI in content moderation. AI is not just about robots replacing jobs. It's fundamentally changing the way we perform tasks and make decisions. In various sectors such as healthcare, finance, and customer service, AI is showing significant potential. So, how does AI fit into the picture of content moderation? AI can be used to automate the process of reviewing and moderating content. It uses natural language processing, NLP, among other technologies, to identify, understand, and filter content based on predefined rules and guidelines. For instance, it can flag offensive language, hate speech, or spam across various platforms. As we get deeper into this topic in subsequent sections, we'll explore how AI streamlines content moderation processes, its ability to identify harmful or inappropriate content more quickly and accurately than human moderators, and the potential challenges it faces. The rise of AI in content moderation is not without its limitations and challenges, which we will address in our next section. Limitations and challenges of AI in content moderation. While AI has enormous potential, it's important to understand its limitations for successful implementation. Stay with us as we delve into this critical aspect of AI-powered content moderation in the next article. Advantages of using AI for content moderation. Picking up from where we left off, it's now clear that AI is fast becoming an indispensable tool for content moderation. But what exactly makes AI such a powerful ally in this space? First and foremost, AI can dramatically streamline the moderation process. Traditionally, human moderators would painstakingly sift through an avalanche of comments, images, and videos, often leading to burnout and inconsistencies. AI, on the other hand, does not get tired or overwhelmed. It can process thousands of posts per second, scanning for everything from hate speech and graphic violence to spam and misinformation. Take Facebook, for example. In 2022, Meta reported that its AI systems proactively detected and removed 95.7% of hate speech content before it was ever reported by users. 1. AI also excels at identifying harmful or inappropriate content with impressive speed and accuracy. Using machine learning, these systems are trained on vast datasets containing millions of examples of both acceptable and unacceptable content. This means AI can spot subtle patterns, think coded language or meme formats that might slip past a human moderator's radar. For instance, Twitter's automated tools reportedly catch more than 50% of abusive tweets, resulting in faster response times and a safer online environment for users. By automating the more repetitive and clear-cut moderation decisions, AI frees up human moderators to focus on complex, nuanced cases that require empathy and context. This not only increases efficiency but also helps protect the mental health of human moderators, who are often exposed to distressing content as part of their job. Limitations and challenges of AI in content moderation. As promising as AI is, it's not a silver bullet. One of the main challenges lies in its ability or inability to understand context and nuance. For example, AI may flag a sarcastic comment or a reclaimed slur as offensive, even when it's being used harmlessly, or in a way that is empowering to a community. Conversely, some harmful content may slip through if it uses coded language or images that the AI has not been trained to recognize. Ethical considerations also come to the fore. Decisions made by AI can sometimes appear opaque, raising concerns about accountability and transparency. If a user's post is incorrectly flagged or removed, it can lead to frustration and even allegations of censorship. Moreover, there is the issue of bias. AI systems learn from the data they are fed. And if that data reflects existing prejudices, the AI can inadvertently reinforce them. For example, studies have shown that some image recognition systems perform less accurately on images of people with darker skin tone, a stark reminder that AI is only as fair as the data it is trained on. There are also operational challenges to consider. Moderation systems must constantly evolve to keep up with new languages, slang, and formats. Bad actors are adept at finding ways to evade detection, whether that is by using images instead of text, or by inventing new code words. This means that AI requires ongoing retraining and human oversight to stay effective. Real-world examples. AI in action. Despite these hurdles, AI-powered content moderation has already made significant headway across different platforms. Let's look at some notable examples. Meta, Facebook and Instagram. Over 97% of violent and graphic content removals on Facebook in Q1 2023 were detected proactively by AI before users reported them. Squared. This has drastically reduced the time harmful content stays visible. YouTube. In the first half of 2022, YouTube's AI flagged 94% of videos removed for violating policies, with more than 80% of those removals happening before a single view. Cubed. Reddit. Automated moderation bots, such as Auto Moderator, handle millions of posts and comments each day, flagging content for review and significantly reducing moderators' workloads. These examples show that, when carefully implemented, AI not only boosts the speed and scale of content moderation but also improves overall platform safety and user trust. The numbers. AI's growing impact in content moderation. Let's dig into some key statistics that highlight the scale and effectiveness of AI-driven content moderation. The global content moderation solutions market is projected to reach $13.6 billion by 2031, growing at a CAGR of 11.2% from 2022. 4. Meta's Community Standards Enforcement Report noted that in the third quarter of 2023, more than 99% of terrorist propaganda, adult nudity, and graphic violence was removed before being flagged by users. YouTube reported that in Q4 2022, its moderation AI helped remove over 5.6 million videos, with more than 90% identified by automated systems. UNICEF estimates that 80% of children worldwide have experienced some form of cyberbullying, underlining the urgent need for robust, scalable moderation on youth-centric platforms. According to Gartner, by 2025, 75% of conversations on online platforms will be moderated by AI, up from 20% in 2020. These numbers make it clear the demand for automated content moderation is only set to rise as user-generated content continues to explode in volume and variety. In Part 3, we'll take a closer look at real-life case studies, fun facts, and insights from industry experts to see how AI is shaping the future of digital communities. Get ready to discover inspiring stories and actionable tips on harnessing AI for safer, more vibrant online spaces. References. 1. Meta Transparency Report, 2022. Squared. Meta Community Standards Enforcement Report, 2023. Cubed. YouTube Transparency Report, 2022. 4. Allied Market Research, a content moderation solutions market, a 2022. Picking up from Part 2 of our article series on how to use AI for content moderation. We've discussed both the advantages and limitations of AI in content moderation, as well as real-world examples and its growing impact statistics. As we move forward in Part 3, let's treat ourselves to some fun facts about AI in content moderation and spotlight an expert in the field who can provide further insight into this exciting and increasingly important area. Fun Facts section. 10 facts about AI in content moderation. The AI technology behind content moderation is rooted in machine learning, where systems are trained to improve their responses based on previous experiences. AI can process thousands of posts in a second, something that's practically impossible to achieve with human-only moderation. AI moderation is not just about text. It also moderates images, videos, and even audio content. AI doesn't just block or allow content. It can also suggest edits. For example, Instagram's AI lets users know if their comment might be considered offensive before they post it. Improved AI moderation could save social media companies billions. Facebook alone spent $3.70 billion on safety and security measures in 2019. Despite AI advances, human moderators remain essential. AI often struggles with context and nuance, making human review crucial. Facebook's AI is multilingual, capable of understanding and moderating content in over 50 languages. AI can learn to recognize new threats. When the COVID-19 pandemic hit, AI systems were swiftly trained to spot and remove harmful misinformation. AI needs constant updates to stay on top of new language, slang, and evolving social norms. AI moderation isn't just for large platforms. Small businesses and websites also use AI tools to protect their online communities. Author Spotlight. Sarah T. Roberts. When discussing AI content moderation, it's essential to spotlight Dr. Sarah T. Roberts, an associate professor in the Information Studies Department at UCLA and a leading expert on commercial content moderation. Her book, Behind the Screen: Content Moderation in the Shadows of Social Media, is a groundbreaking insider look into the world of content moderation, providing first-hand accounts from the people cleaning the internet. Dr. Roberts advocates for the value and necessity of human moderators in a world increasingly dominated by AI. She argues that while AI can carry out content moderation at an impressive scale, humans are indispensable for their ability to understand context, cultural nuances, and the ever-evolving nuances of language. In her work, Dr. Roberts also highlights the ethical and social considerations concerning content moderation, including the working conditions of human moderators and the challenge of maintaining free speech while ensuring online safety. Her insights bring a valuable perspective to the conversation and remind us that while AI is a powerful tool, it's still just that, a tool, used best in conjunction with the irreplaceable skills and judgment of humans. Now that we've learned some fun facts about AI in content moderation and spotlighted a respected authority in the field, let's prepare to delve deeper into the subject in part 4. We'll be addressing some of the biggest questions in our FAQ section. From how exactly does AI moderation work, to what does the future hold for AI in content moderation? Quote, stay tuned. FAQ section. 10 questions and answers about AI in content moderation. How exactly does AI moderation work? AI moderation works by utilizing machine learning algorithms to identify, filter, and, when necessary, block or remove harmful or inappropriate content. It uses natural language processing, NLP, to understand the content and context of texts, while image and video recognition are used for visual content. What types of content can AI moderate? AI can moderate a wide range of content, including text, images, videos, and audio. This includes social media posts, comments, user reviews, blog posts, discussion threads, and more. How accurate is AI in content moderation? AI's accuracy varies depending on its training and the type of content it's moderating. It excels in identifying clear-cut violations but can struggle with subtle nuances, context, or new forms of harmful content. Continuous training and refinement can improve its accuracy. Can AI understand and moderate different languages? Yes, AI can be trained to understand and moderate content in multiple languages. For instance, Facebook's AI is capable of moderating content in over 50 languages. Does AI replace human moderators? No, AI does not replace human moderators. While AI can expedite the moderation process and handle large volumes of content, human review is still necessary for complex cases that require understanding of context and cultural nuances. Can AI detect new forms of harmful content? Yes. With continuous training, AI can learn to recognize new threats and harmful content. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, AI systems were swiftly trained to spot and remove harmful misinformation. What are some of the challenges faced by AI in content moderation? One of the primary challenges faced by AI is understanding context and nuance in content. Ethical considerations concerning transparency, accountability, and bias also pose challenges. Additionally, AI needs constant updates to keep up with new languages, slang, and evolving social norms. How is AI improving in the field of content moderation? AI is improving through continuous training, development of more sophisticated algorithms, and incorporation of human review in the moderation process. There's also ongoing research to improve AI's understanding of context and nuance. Can small businesses also use AI for content moderation? Yes. AI moderation tools are not exclusive to large platforms. Many small businesses and websites use AI tools to protect their online communities. What does the future hold for AI in content moderation? The future of AI in content moderation looks promising with continuous advancements in technology. As AI gets more sophisticated, it's expected to become even more efficient and accurate in identifying and moderating harmful content. NKJV Bible verse as we navigate the realm of online interactions. It's important to remember the wisdom found in the NKJV Bible verse. Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23. Keep your heart with all diligence, for out of it spring the issues of life. In the same way, we must carefully guard our online communities from harmful content, for they are the lifeblood of our digital existence. Outreach mentioned to learn more about AI and content moderation and get actionable insights. Visit Dr. Sarah T. Roberts' website and blog. Her groundbreaking work in this field provides invaluable insights to better understand the complexities of content moderation, the role of AI, and the importance of human involvement. Strong conclusion from understanding what AI content moderation is to recognizing its potential and limitations. We've come a long way in this article series. AI is undeniably transforming the way content is moderated online, making digital platforms safer and more user-friendly. However, it is crucial to remember that while AI is a powerful tool, it is most effective when used in tandem with human judgment and expertise. As online interactions continue to grow, the importance of effective content moderation becomes even more paramount. Remember, in the pursuit of safe digital spaces, AI is our ally, not our replacement. Want to fast-track your AI knowledge? Best-icourse.com provides expert instruction,